old woman you see here on these images, her real name is Amina Mohammed, also known as Mama ODM. She is a scammer, Eastlight broker, and operates in Eastlight to collect extortion by disguised herself as an Ogaden claim. She is very dishonest and tries to collect extortion from different people in Eastlight as she acts as a broker for Pangani Police Station and Hamid Rashid. Do you see these two different payments on these images here? This is the payment she received on 2 different times. So she knows how to beg and ask for help. But she is a scammer with 2 faces and hypocrites. Do you see this cause evidence here from Mama ODM? This woman has called my phone several times and crying to say that she has no money and been evicted from her apartment, begging me for money. So why did she beg me for money? So why she didn't get help from the killer cop Hamid Rashid? Amina Oni is a Dubahante woman who is disguised as a member of the Ogaden claim for the purpose of extortion. She tried to scam me after I sent her 2 different payments in May and June 2021. She is even trying to extort more money from me after I refused her demands in my call history. You can see so many calls that she has made to get more money out of me. Amina has personally sent information about the Pangani killer cop named Hamid Rashid, whom I have filed several complaints against when I was in Kenya. When I refused to comply with her demands, she has now resorted to making false statements and lies against me. From her first interaction with me, it seems as if she was seeking assistance from me, but it turned out that all she wanted was to defraud me. This lady has called me several times, crying that she has no money and is being evicted from her apartment. I don't understand why she is begging for money. You can already see the evidence of payment that was sent to her at 2 different times. She is definitely an evil person with ulterior motives. She has been reported making lies and fabricated and malicious stories against me on TikTok after collecting 2 different payments from me. Amina Oni is motivated by greed because she tried to extort me for more money and making false allegations against me that I had abused the Ogaden claim. I clearly stated that Hamid Rashid is protected by the Ogaden claim, who are connected for their own selfish gains because of the Eastlight trade, smuggling, transit goods, and protection of Somali cartels. I have also stated that Hamid Rashid targeted non-Ogaden Somalis for purposes of extortion, and money. This guy has made the lives of non-Ogaden Somalis in Eastleigh and Pangani completely miserable. Amina herself is a known Somali woman living near Eastleigh and is a broker for the Pangani police station. Particularly the killer cop Ahmed Rashid. She acts on the killer cop's order to cover up their corruption. Ahmed Rashid has been protecting and aiding illegal businesses in Pangani, and several reports have already been filed against him, but nothing has been done so far. Upon sending the information against him, Amina Oni approached me to extort money out of me through false statements and lies. She is a middle-aged lady but tends to apply a lot of makeup to look younger. She is also pimp who is involved with underage pimping, spoiling young girls with drugs, and is a drugs user herself. She is a mother of 5 with all her kids from different fathers. All she does is act as a broker between the police, that is Ahmed Rashid, and the public. Together, they are involved in extorting money from the general public, mostly non-Ogaden residents in Eastleigh. Lastly, I would like to point out why all our kids are dropped from school and try to extort money using dishonest means. It's very clear that this woman is a beggar, scammer, fraud, and dishonest person.